So I'm thinking I'll do a video of the full front to back undercarriage of this 1983 Mercedes-Benz 240D, since we are completely finished on the underside cleaning and on the 500 mile car that's just brand new everywhere you look. So this is pretty exciting to drop down underneath here and do a roll through on the video. I think I'll start from here, swing down nice and slow. This vehicle's just absolutely beautiful. All the original Cosmoline is in wonderful shape. When you look underneath the rear end, that's just cleaned and dry iced. We blasted it with dry ice to clean everything. And this is how a 16,000 mile vehicle looks. Wheel wells are impeccable. All just the original factory finish. That's Cosmoline there, if you're wondering what that is. All original markings. Cosmoline is basically a waxy type of undercoating surfacing that's kind of a amber color. That's why you get a little bit of color to it. You see there? You see it mostly on stuff like that. This is just absolutely stunning, beautiful undercarriage. It is so rare to see something this clean and this pristine with no damage. Front balance, none. The aluminum polished chrome, polished bumpers in immaculate condition. Wheel wells. Absolutely beautiful. In the process of polishing the paint, we just polish that lower 6 inches. When the cars are up on the lift, I'll polish the bottom side of the vehicle prior to taking it off the lift to do the top side detailing. But that's all been polished. See what kind of condition that is with the lighting. Use a lot of lighting when we're cleaning up and doing the polishings. I strictly use Roops polishers, Roops polishing pads, they're not cheap, and Roops polishing performance professional polishes. And turns out quite beautiful. You see how pretty that is. But anyways, this is just the cut polish that I do initially, and then after that we'll go in with a finishing polish, and then we'll finish up the whole polishing aspect with ceramic coating. Not just a spray ceramic coating, but the actual wipe on, let it sit, the actual ceramic coating that lasts for years. But this car's going to turn out so pretty, but I'm just really excited about this undercarriage being literally pristine condition. It's pretty cool.